In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect WordPress to Shopify. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to sell your Shopify products directly on your WordPress site using a simple buy button without needing any complex code or extra plugins. First, head over to your Shopify admin dashboard. At the top of the screen, click into the search bar. From the drop-down options, choose apps, then in the search field, type buy button. In the search results, look for the buy button sales channel. Go ahead and install it and follow the prompts that appear on screen. This will add the buy button tool to your Shopify store so you can generate embeddable code. Once that's installed, return to your Shopify admin. On the left-hand side panel, you'll now see an option called buy button. Click on that, then click create buy button. Here, Shopify will ask whether you want to create a product buy button or a collection buy button. A product button is for a single item, while a collection button displays multiple products together. For this walkthrough, choose Product Buy button, then select the product you'd like to use and click Select. You'll now see customization options. First, decide whether your button should work for all product variants or only specific ones, such as a certain size or color. Next, choose your layout style. You can pick Basic, Classic, or Full View, depending on whether you want just a button, a compact card, or a more complete product layout. Also choose what happens when someone clicks. Should the item be added to cart? Should it go straight to checkout? Or should a product details view open? Think about the shopping experience you want to create. As you edit, remember that there's a live preview on the right-hand side. This is extremely helpful because you can see every change in real time before you publish it. Now, click on button style. Here you can adjust the button corners to make them more square or rounded, change the button width, and pick the background color. You can also control the text color, font, and size for the button label so it visually matches your WordPress theme. Next, click Layout. This is where you choose the product image size, whether to show additional images, and how to align the title, price, and add to cart button. You can edit the text that appears on the button, decide whether to show a quantity field, and pick colors for the product title and price. You can also fine-tune fonts and sizes for the title, price, and variant labels. Take a moment here to make everything consistent with your branding. Then, click Shopping Cart. This controls the small cart window that appears when people add items. You can edit the cart heading, the subtotal text, and decide whether to show an order note field for special instructions. You can customize additional information content, the button text, and the empty cart message. You can also choose background and body text colors so the cart looks clean and on brand. Under Advanced Settings, choose how the checkout opens, either in a pop-up window or by redirecting in the same tab. A pop-up can keep visitors on your WordPress page visually, while a redirect is sometimes simpler and more familiar. Once you're happy with everything, click Next, and then click Copy Code. This copies the embed code for your buy button to your clipboard. Now it's time to connect this to WordPress. Open your WordPress editor for the page or post where you want the product to appear. In the editor, click the plus button at the top left to add a new block. Go to Blocks, and in the search bar, type Custom HTML. Select the Custom HTML block, and it will be inserted into your page. Click inside that block, choose to edit the HTML if needed, and paste the code you just copied from Shopify. After pasting, click Update to save the page. Finally, don't forget to click Save or Update one more time to publish the changes. Your Shopify product buy button is now live on your WordPress site, letting visitors browse your content and purchase your products seamlessly in one place.